Here we go. There you go.
Was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding communities. For rest of today, mostly cloudy. Patchy drizzle late. Highs in the mid-40s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, cloudy. Drizzle until early morning. Patchy drizzle late. Patchy fog in the late evening and overnight. Near steady temperature in the lower 40s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming north after midnight.
Alright, so Eton Sidekick is not working by the tuning section over here. So let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys and I'll see you next time. I'll see you guys in the next video next time. So I have a time to do another one, but eventually we'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. By the way, guys, one more last thing. It's perfect timing for the required weekly test goes off. Weekly test goes off at WR120. Just perfect timing. It's just perfect timing, guys. Thank you for watching.